Weatherman, what's the temperature? I got a big day, I don't mean to pressure ya. No umbrella, don't make it rain. Monsoon Mike, can you make my day? Hey, hey, tell me interesting facts. This day in weather history, tell me that. You weather forecast, man, tell me right. It's the weather balloon with Monsoon Mike.
Hello and welcome to Monsoon Mike's Weather Balloon with me, Monsoon Mike, taking you on a journey through a little bit of weather education, a little bit of weather history, and then the current weather for the next few days of your life. First, our weather education segment. We're into April right now, and of course the old farmer's adage about those April showers bringing May flowers, it comes into play because April tends to be a very unstable month with a higher chance of rain and also storms. Yes, we're now into that season when severe thunderstorms become an issue because of the instability of the cooler weather exiting, conflicting with the warmer weather trying to make inroads. Getting my coat on in case it rains, you never know. April and May may feature the highest percentage of severe thunderstorms in our neck of the woods, and it often does. Most commonly, severe thunderstorms accompany a cold front coming in from the west, wedging underneath already situated warm air, causing the atmosphere to push upwards, like my umbrella just went up, sometimes in a very violent way, and thunderstorms to form. Thunderstorms can range from minor ones with a little bit of thunder and lightning to major ones that spawn tornadoes, wind, fires from lightning damage, hail, and torrential downpours. When the National Weather Service sees that a particular part of the country is under a high probability of severe weather, oftentimes a severe thunderstorm watch will be issued. A watch doesn't mean that storms are necessarily imminent, but there's a strong possibility they will be imminent over the next few hours. A severe thunderstorm warning, on the other hand, means that, you better get ready. Radar imaging devices show that severe thunderstorms are occurring over a particular area, and people in line of the storm should get covered at the very least, or at the very most, get inside. But don't take cover under a tree if you're stuck outside. Trees are often the first spot to get hit by lightning. If a thunderstorm is approaching and you can't get inside, the best thing to do is crouch down in as low of a spot as possible, especially if you feel your skin tingling. That means you might be about to get hit by lightning. Now, tornado watches and warnings follow the same protocol, with a watch meaning the tornadoes may form and a warning meaning a tornado has been spotted. As with thunderstorms, the best spot in a tornado is inside, but as you know, tornadoes can often destroy entire buildings within seconds. In that case, try to get in the lowermost interior portion of the building as possible, like a basement or a closet on the first floor. Spring is famous for wild weather. Welcome to spring. Now you know a little bit more about how the weather works. Up next, this date in weather history. Now time for the weather history segment, this date in weather history. On this date in 1955, a town by the name of Axis, Alabama was swamped with over 20 inches of rain in 24 hours. That's almost an inch an hour for an entire day. That's a lot of rain, establishing a new state record for Alabama that's been hard-pressed to be surpassed over the years. Then in 1987, talking about thunderstorms in my first segment, well, thunderstorms hit on this date in '87 in Texas, producing one wind gust of 98 miles per hour in northern Texas, causing $1 million of property damage. 2 airplanes were destroyed at a local airport. A year later, in '88, a strong low pressure system set up shop off the Atlantic coast. Remember I talked about lows and highs a little while ago, or last week? Produced high winds across North Carolina with winds gusting close to 80 miles per hour. About 275 feet of land was eroded from Pea Island. And a year later from there, in '89, wow, the late '80s were active on this date. Thunderstorms, see, more of those wild thunderstorms in central Florida produced golf ball-size hail and a tornado near Lakeland. That's what happened on this date over the years. Up next, your forecast for the next few days of your life.
KUR 88.3, Kutztown University. Feel the burn.
Yeah! Ow!
Now for the forecast for the next few days of your life, and only a couple of days of nice sunshine, and unfortunately it's going to be that sort of pattern that's going to continue, but there is a nice day or two in between. For now, Thursday looks pretty nice with at least partly sunny skies and temperatures breaking back into the 60s. Friday, however, increases clouds after some morning sunshine with temperatures in the lower 60s, and then Saturday looks rainy from this standpoint. Once again, another rainy day. Too bad it has to fall on the weekend. Temperatures in the mid-50s, maybe a little bit of clearing on Sunday with temperatures in the upper 50s. So unstable pattern continues, folks. What can I say? It's April.
Hi, I'm Luis from Sesame Street.
Hey!
I'm introducing Elmo to some healthy new snacks.
Delicious fruit.
Healthy habits start early. In fact, studies suggest that children form these habits even by age 3. It's the small steps that you take that make a real difference for you and your children.
Oh, may Elmo introduce Luis to some healthy food?
Sure.
Oh, Mr. Broccoli, this is Luis.
How do you do?
Fine.
This has been Monsoon Mike's Weather Balloon. Thanks so much for watching this week and reminding you to tune in again next time and join me here in my weather balloon.
Weatherman, what's the temperature? I got a big day, I don't mean to pressure you. No umbrella, don't make it rain. Monsoon Mike, can you make my day? Hey, hey, tell me interesting facts. This day in weather history, tell me that. You weather forecast, man, tell me right. It's the weather balloon with Monsoon Mike.